Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in product innovations. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced tools in the world of tattoo artistry, the Mast Flip Tattoo Rotary Machine Wireless Pen Kit. The Mast Flip Tattoo Rotary Machine is a wireless pen-style device that combines precision engineering with ergonomic design. Designed by Mast Tattoo, known for pushing the boundaries of tattoo machine technology, this tool is crafted for comfort, cleanliness, and efficiency. What sets the Mast Flip apart is its lightweight build and customizable features. It weighs just 40 grams, making it incredibly easy to maneuver during long tattoo sessions without fatigue. This machine offers tattoo artists 6 adjustable stroke lengths, ranging from 2.6 mm to 4.0 mm. This versatility allows for precise lining, detailed shading, and everything in between. It's all about giving artists the control they need to create stunning tattoos. Now, let's break down some key features. The Mast Flip is renowned for its geometrically precise build, ensuring stable performance and consistent results. Equipped with a 1300 mAh battery, the Mast Flip lasts through extended tattoo sessions. Plus, its small size means it won't weigh you down. It's compatible with Mast Pro cartridges and can accommodate other major brand cartridges, offering flexibility in needle choice. Changing batteries and adjusting stroke length is seamless with the Mast Flip. This allows artists to maintain their workflow uninterrupted, which is crucial during intricate tattoo designs. So, is the Mast Flip Tattoo Rotary Machine Wireless Pen Kit worth the investment? Absolutely. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or expand your capabilities as an artist, this device delivers on its promise of precision and performance. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.